In this session, we are going to learn about what is Agile model. Agile model is one of the software development life cycle model. What is Agile model? What is Agile testing? What is Agile methodology? What is Agile process? Don't get confused. These all are same. Let us learn about what is Agile methodology or Agile model. Agile testing is a software testing practices that follows the principles of Agile methodology. It is an iterative software development model. What is iterative? Iterative means repeating the same test process again and again. Here we have plan, design, develop, test, deploy, review, and launch. Repeating this process again and again, that is called iterative. Here in Agile, the requirements are keeps on changing as per the customer needs. The testing is done parallel to the development in iterative model. Testing team will receive the frequent code changes from the development team for testing an application. Here the main aim of Agile is to deliver a good quality of software. Here is in each and every sprint have small chunks or small tasks. These tasks are completed within a short span of time. In this Agile, the requirements are goes on changing for customer satisfaction. Next, let us see what is Agile Manifesto. Agile Manifesto has 4 key points and 12 principles. Let us see first 4 key points. Individuals and interactions over process and tools. Interacting among the people while developing the software. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Focus on software rather than documentation. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Here the customer and the team should work together to find the best solutions. Next, responding to change over following a plan. In this, instead of sticking to something, make changes according to the situations. Now let's see the principles of Agile methodology. We have 12 principles of Agile methodology. The first principle is customer satisfaction. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer needs through early and continuous delivery of the software. Next, welcome changes. Welcoming the changes even late in development. Next, delivery frequently. Deliver the working software frequently. Working together. The business people and the developers should work together throughout the entire project for building a good quality of product. And next, trust and support. Build it in a motivated individuals. Build the projects around the motivated individuals. Next, face-to-face conversation. Face-to-face conversation is a lot important, most important. Working software. Here, working software is a primary measure of progress. Next, sustainable development, continuous development. Continuous attention to technical excellence. It is very important, maintaining simplicity. Next, 11th principle is self-organizing team. And last thing is reflect and adjust. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective and that tunes and adjust the behavior accordingly. Now, let us see when we use the Agile methodology. Here, when client does not have any clear idea about the requirements, and when the client expects quick releases, and when client does not give all the requirements at the time, in these conditions, we'll use mainly Agile methodology. Now let us see the advantages and disadvantages of Agile methodology. Here the advantages of Agile, high quality. As we all said, quality plays an important role in Agile. Quality, what is quality? We deliver the best product and services to the customer. Concentrate on the quality from the beginning and throughout the process to prevent the defects. In order to prevent the defects, we test the products, we identify the defects, and we deliver the quality products. So that's why quality is main benefit of Agile. Next, high customer satisfaction. The main intention of Agile is to satisfy the customer by delivering the good quality of software. Next, efficient risk management. Yes, we can also control the risk because in every iteration we do testing. So continuous testing is possible during every iteration. And in testing, it is possible early stages itself. So when we do testing at early stages, we find more defects at an early and we get a chance to correct those errors and deliver the high quality of product here. So that's why we say that the risk can be managed. Yeah, it has a better control and accurate matrices. Let's see disadvantages of agile methodology. It is not useful for small development projects. Yes, it requires the use of small teams. Yes, it requires the extensive training. Yes, in this agile they only hire the experienced people because they don't hire fresher testers or fresher developers because it is very difficult to them to understand the requirements. So in order to avoid this, they only hire the experienced developers and experienced testers. Next, poor resource planning. Next, limited documentation. In previous sessions we discussed about waterfall and V model. In those models there is lot of documentation, but in agile model there is no documentation. In this model they totally concentrate on the communication and interaction rather than documentation. Yeah, this is briefly about agile. Hope you understand. See you in the next session.